Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Fans. Today I've got a Transporter T6 to preview. This one is a recent part exchange. Returning customer purchased this van from us in 2023. It's a T6 Highline. It's the 150 PS manual with lots of factory options on this particular vehicle. Covered just over 65,000 miles and is in great condition. Of course, it's done 65,000 miles, so it's not going to be immaculate, but for a vehicle of this age, 2019 on a 69 plate, it's in great condition. So basically it's had some styling done to the vehicle. It's had the Sportline lower front splitter. Got the 20-inch gloss black alloys, black mirror caps, privacy tints, roof bars and the trapeze side bars. So I'll just point out, it's got a stone chip to the windscreen, passed its MOT recently, so it's not in the driver's line of vision. As I say, very clean for age and mileage. So the Highline specification comes with front and rear park sensors as standard. Air conditioning. It's got the tailgate spoiler all colour coded. Privacy tints, as I said. Reverse camera. It's got the bumper protector on there as well. Front and rear mud flaps. In the cabin, so electric heated folding wing mirrors, auto lights wipers, cruise control. It's actually done 66,591 miles. 6-speed gearbox. It's got heated windscreen. It's got the Compostion Media with the Apple CarPlay. It's also got the upgrade comfort dash, so like a caravel dash, which incorporates a cab carpet. It's got a lovely black leather trim fitted. So 2 captain seats in the front. It's got the twin side electric slide doors, so side loading doors are electric. It's got the 2+1 rear seat. So no rips, tears, marks on the leather. Show you in the rear. It's all carpet lined. Rubber floor, which is standard on the Kombi van. Alcantara roof lining with the LED downlighters. Also 2 LED downlighters in the tailgate, all carpet lined again. Heated rear window, wash wipe. Just open this near side door, there we go. Doors all work from the dashboard as well. So, plenty of storage options. There we go. Any questions? Give myself Chris a call, 07888 989877. We'll be live on our website shortly, www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. And there we have it. Transporter T6 Highline. It's the 150 PS 6-speed manual gearbox, deep black pearl, 66,500 miles, comprehensive service history, recent MOT, and it comes with a 15-month AutoGuard Premium Assist warranty. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.